Which one?
The Tweety Bird that's here to the side.
You gonna put it there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tweety Bird, Tweety Bird, Tweety Bird, there. Daddy, want my Tweety Bird, Tweety. Beep, beep. I'm bringing my Tweety Bird home.
Huh?
Beep, beep.
Beep beep?
Driving home.
So you practice on your bike at home, okay? Can you reach it? Can your feet reach the pedal?
I'm pedaling. Wee.
Wee.
Let me see my Tweety Bird. Oh,
You can see your Tweety Bird?
yeah.
Toot toot? No.
Whoa.
Whoa. Why whoa? No. You like it? Ask your mommy to buy you one. Okay? When you grow up, you're gonna buy like something like that? Huh?
It was not. I don't know what's that.
You don't know?
I want to get off.
Okay. Wait, I'll bring you up.
I know how to get off. See?
You know? See? You know how? Okay, I'm going now.